Students, I am your Kusum ma'am. Today I brought 5 tips which you can avoid to score above 90% and how you can improve your result of 10th. So these are few points which you can follow to get result above 90%. So let's start out with here the 5 mistakes which generally you make. The first one, never avoid self-studying. So here students who are going to coaching classes or coaching centers, they concentrate on only the topics given there. So by this, you are not having a proper revision of important topics. So proper revision of important topics is very important. So thus, never avoid self-study. So when you are having your self-study, you will be concentrating on the topics and you are revising it, which will make the topics very easy and to represent in a proper way in your exam. So this is the first mistake you should avoid. That is, don't avoid self-study. Now the second mistake which you make, never think that you have learned everything by learning concepts. So only learning concept is not sufficient. You need to solve lots and lots of questions in every subject. This will improve your marks. So thus, don't simply think that you completed your learning concept. Concentrate more on practicing more and more questions. Now the third mistake which you generally make, that is, don't procrastinate. Here, have the habit of studying 1 hour for maths and science and at least half hour for other subjects. So here, you divide your subjects, 1 hour for maths and science and half an hour at least for other subjects. So this is like you are concentrating on all the subjects. Now the fourth mistake which you make, that make sure that you study every day. So generally the students have the habit of studying regularly for few days and taking relaxation for 1 day. Like Sunday, we want to enjoy today's Sunday or holiday. So don't waste the day. Make sure that studying every day is very important. Now prepare a timetable and revise every subject. Solve at least 25 questions of maths from your reference book or from your textbook. So have a constant study. The fifth mistake which you can avoid, do not practice all the sample papers which are available in the market. So generally we get all the sample papers and then we concentrate on everything. So rather than that, first you follow out your teacher, you ask your teacher for the best sample paper which can be solved by you. And then after solving that all, or when you have solved sample papers, you get the practice of time management which will improve you to complete your paper on time. Moreover, at last, which I want to suggest, take sufficient rest, do yoga to relax your mind, have a relaxing mind to work hard. So hope everyone will follow my tips and avoid the mistakes so that you can score above 90%. All the best for your future.